Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video. Today I want to show you some small trick with button of old iPhone. Of course it should be work on the with the iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, but without touch detection. So, what's the problem? If you put on the button, it doesn't work. But today I want to show how you can change, and it will be work after this operation. So, what do you need? You need alcohol. I use a 97% of alcohol and small piece. I don't know what is name. Sorry. What you need to do? You need open alcohol and put little bit on this tip. Put alcohol on the bottom, little bit more, and put your finger on the button and push up down maybe 10 times. Little bit add the alcohol and again push down maybe 10 times. A little bit more. And again push down. And you see reaction of your iPhone. It still works. After this procedure, your button should be work a little bit better. Now it doesn't matter because it's alcohol. You need a little bit weight, and after this,
Вы слушаете песни, но Тайлас Аутом пил.
It's still work. You see, now it's work not incorrect, but after this it's work.
Вы слушаете альбом Morgold Vol 2.
And after this it should be work okay, and no any problem. Okay, you do this and wait maybe 10 minutes. After this you can check how work your button. After 10 minutes alcohol has evaporated, and now it's your button should be work nice. Anyway, it's way which required to try. My iPhone works perfect after this operation. You see, It's no problem. It's walk, no problem. I think your iPhone after this works also nice. Have a nice day. See you later.